Now in this case, we'll make use of two dynamic match functions so that we can get corresponding values. Now I would like to know the LED sales for West region. So generally I would like to break up the function into different parts. So let me show you how this works. First, I would like to know where is the position of the West region. So here we have West that we are looking for, and the other criteria is LED. Let me highlight them because these are manually entered values. So I say match lookup for West, and lookup array. I select this entire thing over here. I'm also including the heading region, and I want an exact match. Close the bracket. Here we have as the 6th in the list. Now LED, similarly I'll use a match function. I want to know where LED features in this list here. I put a comma again. I need an exact match here too. Close the bracket, hit enter. So LED falls under the 4th column.